Just like so. Stick it. Actually, Butch, let's make it. Oh my god. It works!
Not bad. Not bad.
We just need part of the pan. Let's put the special powder inside. Just like so. Let's test it. It works!
Not bad.
Booch, hit it! Oh my god. Oh, something is happening! Holy moly! It works!
Not bad. Not bad.
There we go. Like so. It works!
Not bad.
Let's remove this heat. Put it like so. Thank you, Butch. It works! There we go! Very useful thing! You need to try it!
Not bad.
Science.
Not bad.
Okay, I prepared the camera. Where's the fun?
That looks amazing.
Cheers, Archie!
Let's give it a try, Archie. Oh my god, it works.
It really works! Nice!
Label off spray. It's coming off. Oh, success. The plane is ready. Success!
Oh my, they're really dirty! It's done! It works! Go!
Alright. Done.
And done too! I don't need it.
Now we pour the oil. It's actually working! Are you seeing this? Success! Alright, we're going in! Do you see the keys?
Oh, whoa. Oh no. Oh! Yeah, I got it, Archie! I did it! It's too hard. I don't need it.
Alright, now all we need to do is scrub. Oh, look! My hairs are actually coming off. We can officially say it works! Success!
WD-40 and there we go. You need to dry it.
Just like so.
Do you see the difference between hot and cold?
Do you see my hand?
Yes.
It works. Let's give it a test. It really works. The sound is gone. Just like so. It does not work. Success! 3 cups. Here goes nothing. Success! Let's hammer this in. Double entendre! Success! Success! Alrighty then. Alright, it actually does work! Go outside! Success, it really works! This little pen, you can actually draw on it. How super is that? Just press this button here, and it deletes.
I can move it even! Oh! Here we go! Success!
Alright, all we need is a little bit of alcohol. Wrap it up a bit.
Try it at home.
3, 2, 1.
It's working! Now we need to make a hole in the penny.
Here's the acetone. It's glowing.
Oh yeah, you're right!
Okay, it kind of works. Cotton pad, let's drench it in some alcohol. Ooh, and place the water balloon on top. It really worked! It really does work!
We got this magic cup to make some ice there. So, let's... It works! Let's... Oh my god! I think it doesn't work.
That worked!
This is the same material they used for the nail. All you need is this material and warm water.
Oh my god.
You see? It's not magic. Ice.
Oh, actually, let's try it. What? It was easy!
Honey. Water. And swirl. It actually works.
How many droplets can a penny hold?
1, 2, 3.
Oops. That a coin this size can hold exactly 21 drops of water.
Let's place it in the money holder. Push. Give it a bit of a wiggle. It actually worked.
Base. Nails. And the final step. Whatever.
Alright, let's give it a test, Archie.
Oh, here we go! So, it's time to test it. Ready? Yeah? And the moment of truth. I think it's gonna work!
Let's give it the true test.
Yeah, it's leaking a bit. Not that perfect, honestly, but...
It definitely works.
Nice!
Success.
Not bad!
All we need to do is get a nice grip and make sure the bottom cap is on top of the other one. Okay, moment of truth. Ooh, it's definitely opened a little bit. All right, success, it worked. But I must say, I wasted a little bit of the liquid. We have everything here. Let's take this bandage, give it a cut. Now let's take the top bit. This is a normal garden. We just push this through and we can lock it by closing the tap. Just like so. Now for the main chamber. This is the chamber that is going to house the fuel. Let's just push all this in, the wick. Perfect. Nice and tight again. And for the end bit, just the cap to fasten everything in. Let's prep it with some fuel. Could potentially fill it all up with fuel. Now, let's take the real test.
And moment of truth, let's see if it really works. It does work. Look at that. It's a proper torch.
Impressive.